Understanding the phrase, pour a drink, an English language guide. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, pour a drink. This is a common expression used in everyday English, and understanding its usage can really enhance your conversational skills. So, let's dive in and learn all about it. Pour a drink is a phrase that means to transfer a liquid, usually an alcoholic or non-alcoholic beverage, from its container into a glass or cup. The action of pouring involves tilting the container and allowing the liquid to flow out smoothly. It's a basic skill used in various settings, from casual gatherings to formal events. To understand this phrase better, let's look at some examples. Could you pour me a drink? I'd love some lemonade. At the party, they had a bartender pouring drinks for the guests. After a long day, she likes to pour herself a drink and relax. These examples show how the phrase can be used in different contexts. Now, let's see a visual demonstration of pouring a drink. The video shows a person taking a bottle and gently tilting it over a glass, carefully controlling the flow of the liquid into the glass. Notice how the person holds the bottle and the glass to avoid spilling. In many cultures, pouring a drink is more than just a physical action. It can be a sign of hospitality or a part of a ritual. For example, in some traditions, the host pours drinks for guests as a welcome gesture. Let's practice. Try using the phrase, pour a drink, in a sentence. Maybe you can even practice pouring a drink at home, with water, to start with, to get a feel for the action. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, pour a drink. We hope you found this video informative and enjoyable. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep using your new phrase in conversations. See you in our next video.